Welcome to June on the Pacific Ocean. I'm here with Lawrence, which is the administrator of Facebook page
Seabass, Lingcod, and Halibut out of Newport, Oregon.
And myself, I'm one of the administrators. And also we have here Brandon, he's also an administrator. So we're out here fishing for rockfish today. First time all three of us have gotten together, so it's kind of fun. Actually, it's the first time I ever met Brandon, and we're going to see how we do it. Pretty good ocean today. Might be a little bit windy this afternoon, but stick around. Hopefully we'll get some fish. And by the way, you can join his Facebook group, all about ocean fishing on the West Coast. So it's good. And of course, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can get everything I'm putting out. So let's go fishing.
Gabby.
Yeah, looks like it. Nope, come on. Keeper.
Like it? Looks like it.
Real close.
Close.
There's a soft tape right there.
Oh, there we go. All right, it's about 10 minutes. I put one in the boat. Not a big fish, but it's definitely looks like a keeper anyway.
No, not quite.
Oh, he's 23.
22, right on the nose.
Let's see. I hung up on here.
Good, he spit your hook already.
Oh yeah. Join the club.
You have people messaging you yet, Brandon?
Oh yeah, I get them all the time. Most of them are asking me if I'm a guy.
Got one, Ed?
So I take them out.
Ed's got one. All right. We're on them now.
Mine's bigger than yours.
Good job, Ed.
Where are you bringing him?
I'll bring him right here. He stays on.
Don't give him any slack, Ed. Keep it tight.
Keep tight. Yeah, Brandon's doing a great job. He's a good guy, and he's a great, and he's a great,
He's a good netter.
good netter.
Let me sneak in here so I can get
Well, look at this size, that sea bass. That's a keeper. Let me give you the line.
That is a big sea bass. Gee, many Christmas. Yeah, that's a nice fish. That's got to be
2 pounds, 3
and a half.
pounds. Yeah.
Yeah, nice fish. All right, Brandon.
Where'd he put his fish?
Well, there's a bunch of fish.
Throw them in that
there.
fish, live well there.
Look where we just went across. That's why.
This live well?
Yep.
You bleed them in there too?
Yep.
Okay. Get back at it again. You must be on that wave. Here comes a big old wave.
Yeah, we're on it. Might be right on top of that reef.
Oh, I missed it.
Oh, I can't back on it.
You can float again if you want. That would float us right back over because they're in front of the boat now.
Oh, there's a nice one here.
I don't want to tell you what to do.
Nope. Good. That's a nice one.
Yeah, we'll keep this one. Ed?
Excuse me, Steve. Oh, he threw it in my mouth. You want a pair of pliers? Little girl hands?
Now you maybe have to edit.
What, do you have girl hands? Soft touch?
Because I said the F word.
You what? That's a nice fish. Kind of skinny. You put it. Tell you what I did to Frank out there. Are you still recording?
Yes.
You touched me. Look at Brandon doing her fish for us. He don't like him rolling around his dick. There's one.
There's a bunch of 10 to 20.
Yeah, we're gonna pull that over that stool. There should be a Lingcod underneath it.
Yeah, see that?
Yeah, I did.
Oh, come back.
You about hit me in the face. I know, I'm competition now. Where have you bought it? What? Just on him! See him jump out of the water after it?
You're clear.
Clear, all right. Really? Oh, look at
I
that.
got another setup like this if you want, Brandon.
Oh, I don't care. Brandon's between my legs. Video like this?
I'm gonna hate to catch your and Ed's fish.
Catch him.
One.
You gotta hook one and let it sit.
Brandon, you want this? It's a big one.
No, go for it.
Come on, Brandon.
Go for it.
Come on, buddy. It's your boat. I got 2 of them on now. Maybe 3.
Want the net?
Nope. I'll yank them all in by hand. Lost one. Got one on now. Oh!
Look at him jumping right here. I must have a dull hook or something.
Yep, I'm losing it. I got 2 on her. Oh, one chasing the other one.
Mine's bigger. See, Ed? See how much bigger mine is?
Yeah, I see it. You're gonna offend me. I'm really mad. Tell my wife.
Hey, it's a triple. Hang on
That's a
there.
big one.
We got a triple.
Your video on?
Yeah.
Okay, I was gonna say something. I better not. I'm helping. Oh, we better keep count.
Yeah, I have lost count.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah, we only keep 12.
Wait a minute, that's 4. Already got a limit.
One limit?
Yep.
Kind of like on this boat, it takes care of your fish for you. Kind of like a
Shit.
guide, you know?
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Look at right here.
Yeah, coming in. They're all over the boat in this one.
This one's too small, I think, compared to those other ones.
This is when you bring kids.
Yeah, that's why you brought me.
I brought you because you don't have a boat.
He likes the road.
Then I called Brandon and he said, go ahead and bite in. That's 1 on. If I get 2.
We're gonna catch everybody's limit if you do it that way.
I'll let him go. That's my fish. Mike, look at it right here. Should have brought a fly pole.
Look at this.
Can't even keep them off, can you? I'm only gonna keep super big ones. Oh, I didn't. Another one just hit it. See that?
Yeah.
Oh, now it's a halibut. Now I got a halibut on. Oh, I got 2. Another one chasing. They can get 3. Oh, come on, get 3. Make a record. Howie, this thing hurts.
I gotta get in here. Thanks. That's a little one.
I'm gonna let him go.
Thanks, Dad. Both of these are kind of small.
Why is it my fish are always small and yours aren't?
I'd say something, but they got the camera on.
Don't fight.
Yeah.
Nice
Out
job.
by the boat.
Oh, sorry, Ed. Yeah. Sorry, Ed. Look at that one jump out of the water. Yeah, I wish I had a fly pole. Now they're got behind the
Oh, look at this bait fish down there. You can see a ton of bait fish. Like about that long.
Oh, you see the bait fish?
You can, yeah, you can see the fish right underneath us right now.
I just love this thing. You know, a lot of people never seen it. They come out of the water. Hate to bring all my nieces and everything. Give him a good smile.
Edward's got something on here. We're not sure what it is. Could be a rockfish. Could be a lingcod. It is a
Lingcod.
small baby lingcod.
I don't know.
No kidding.
Here's the baby. Thank you, sir.
We're back to lingcod fishing again, which we were kind of before. We got our 12 sea bass in pretty quick order. So now we're looking for lingcod.
Show you how I do this.
Baiting tutorial from the masturbator.
Yeah.
Gotta edit that.
Yeah, you do. Because everybody knows me by that name. Just like for salmon fishing. That's all there is to it. And I'm running a banana weight on top.
Okay. All right.
Nice fish. You got one.
Oh, there is a fish on
Yeah, I think you got a fish
Oh,
on.
it's a monster.
Is it? Yeah.
Oh, I just lost mine.
Wow!
Good job, Ed.
No, it's still on there.
Shit, I came back and got it. Shoot.
Spinning.
Well, that's a good one.
Let's keep it.
Yeah.
Hold that up. Let's take a look at it. Yeah, that's a keeper.
Oh, got you with a halibut hook?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I held a hook in my leg. That was close.
Oh, gosh.
Get behind you.
Guys, some guys, you know.
Yeah, get behind you. Oh, hold on, no, we gotta get a video of me and you. That's how we do it.
Okay.
Oh, that's a nice one too.
The keeper. Great.
Look at that, I didn't even hit you in the nuts this time.
Nope, I moved way over in this corner. You notice that? Oh, you might not be. Hate to say it. Oh shit! There he goes.
Oh,
Oh shit!
watch
There
it.
he goes.
Watch it.
You videoing it?
I never had that happen before.
That's awesome.
Good job.
Not bragging.
Well, he's only 21 and a half. We could have probably stretched him to 22, but I think we'll just let him go. We're done with our fishing for the day. We got a limit of the rockfish and one short of the lingcod. But now we're going to pull in a couple crab pots. See how that works out.
Maybe.
Maybe.
We're all gonna do one.
We are.
There it is. You know, Steve used to have an electric crab pot. Oh shit.
Yeah, we got some crab.
Wow.
That's some crab.
Hey, good
Yes, sir.
job.
I'm just gonna throw them in the floor.
Okay. In there.
So we're gonna call it a day. We got everything cleaned. We got the crab cleaned, all the fish cleaned, and the ice chest. Been a great day. Thanks to Brandon, Eduardo, also known as Lawrence. Anyway, thanks for watching. We hope you tune in again for another one. Like, subscribe, share it out, and we'll see you the next time. Adios.